Hey guys, me and my zit are just checking in today. Okay, this morning I saw that someone on Facebook put that there was a tornado warning in Idaho and into Utah, which seems crazy because we don't get tornadoes here. And Brai just came running in and she's like, Mom, I swear I just saw a tornado. And I was like, what? I really did see that on the news today. And she swears that she saw, oh, it's gone now. But it looked, oh, you can kind of see it. But she saw this. Do you see how it's kind of like shaped like that? And Brai thought she saw twirling in it. Like, I don't know, but it just seems crazy. Running inside. The coronavirus is crazy on its own. And there have also been earthquakes in Utah, and there was an earthquake here in Idaho, so I don't know, it just seems crazy. I was gonna vlog today because I just kind of felt like off a little bit, but then I saw that and I was like, I'm just gonna at least vlog this. I'm gonna go up to my office and see if I can see it better, and then I'm gonna get on Facebook and see if anyone else is talking about it. I'm mostly on Facebook. I don't really get on Facebook, but I'm mostly friends with people from Utah. Not really people from around here because I don't really know anyone. So just see if anyone's posting anything. Yeah, it's not looking like it was before, but it really looked like the shape of a tornado. Now it's hailing outside. Oh, you wanna look out here? Okay, you climb up here very carefully. You see it? You see looks like hard pieces of snow hitting, hard pieces of rain. Bouncing off the window now. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, let's go downstairs just in case anything crazy happens. The sky now just looks like full of clouds. It doesn't look like the shape of a tornado. I wish I would have found my camera because it really did. And Brai was like, I swear it was spinning. Okay, let's go downstairs.
This cool.
That's cool. Yeah. You like looking down from so high?
It is important. Everyone can't go down.
Everyone can't go down?
When the window only get hurt.
That's very true. If you fall out of this window, you will get hurt.
Yeah.
Oh, can you hear that? Holy moly! That's hitting hard now, huh? That's called hail. Can you see it on the sidewalk downstairs? Or downstairs? Down there? Homeschooling. I'm getting homeschooling done. Brai just decided to go outside in the hailstorm. Nice. Hi guys. Do I look older? I'm a year older than I was the last time I saw you. I'm just kidding, not really. But I am older than I was last time I saw you. But I don't think I look older. At least I hope I don't. Do I look older? Definitely more wrinkly, but that's okay. Today is so exciting. We're running out the door, me, Gage, and Layla, to go and watch Kale and Jess try on their wedding dresses. It was supposed to be a big day, but you know, with everything, we weren't able to like go to the store. So David's bridal sent them wedding dresses. Rosie's like, I want to go. And they're trying them on at Jessica's parents' house. I think we're all just gonna like watch from outside. We're still trying to be as safe as possible. They have started to open things up in phases here in Idaho and in Utah, which is where we're going. But we're still being really careful and just respectful. So, you know, kind of trying to keep a distance from everyone. But I'm really excited to see everyone because it's been so long. Yeah. And it's so awesome because they're trying on their dresses. Yeah. Yay! Okay.
We're gonna go get my present.
Oh yeah, they have a present for you, huh?
Yep.
Poor little Layla rolled off the bed and hit her cheek on the drawer.
Oh, that's what that
Darn
is.
it. Yeah. Sad, huh?
Actually, when you, for the boys out there.
For the boys out there.
After you take a shower, put lotion in your hair. Makes it really soft. And it's really good for your job.
Nice. I like it.
What?
I actually did that to your hair when you were a baby. That's like until you were older. I don't know when we started using gel, but yeah.
I do that too when I am a baby.
That's what I always did with the babies though, with my boys and girls. But Gage had the best hair. His was curly and
I
awesome.
was in too.
Yeah.
We all your baby are new.
I know you're my babies. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's go, let's go. We made it. Jessica's parents have like just this dreamiest house in the dreamiest spot. Like, I want to live here. We actually looked at houses around here but couldn't find anything, but it's so beautiful. Anyways, Markel's getting ready to put her first dress on. It was actually a replacement. They're working with David's Bridal and they picked out some dresses and then they had like a virtual stylist help them out too. So I think one of the dresses that Markel loved they weren't able to get, and so they sent one and it's the first one she's trying on and it's beautiful. What are you doing? Layla's having the time of her life and I like totally geeked out because I used to have one of these when I was little. I also had this Cabbage Patch horse. Who knows where they are now. But when Layla wanted a salon, I tried to find something like this because I loved it so much. But it's so nice that they have that little place right there to hang out and play. She's in heaven. Okay. Kenai is waiting because he knows Markel's in there. That's so cute. Hi, Kenai. Kenai's just waiting outside the door. It's so cute. Hey guys, last time I filmed we were in Utah with Markel trying on dresses, Markel and Jess, and you guys were so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it was so fun. There was a lot going on, or I think I would have been sobbing the whole time. But they looked beautiful. I'm so excited to like see them like choose the one, get it fitted. On they're ready. I just can't wait. I can't wait for all of it. So you'll be able to see all of that on their channel. They'll be posting a video of them trying on the dresses. That's why I didn't film a lot. Okay, just a second, Layla. That's why I didn't film a lot, just because it's, you know, it's their thing. But I had so much fun. It was so good to see them. Seeing people after being quarantined equals the best.
Guess what?
What?
I am making nail polish.
Hold it up. Let's see it. Oh my goodness. Why did you get that?
From my mom.
Why?
She got to go get me it.
But why did I give it to you? What did you do?
You want the pie and pee.
Layla is completely potty trained.
Yeah. You are my present.
I'm amazed by her. When quarantine first started, I was like, okay, I want to get this done, this done, this done. And I kind of like made this list. And one of the things on the list was potty training.
Mom, guess what?
What?
My mom made it rainbow.
I did, huh? They're so cute.
But
We have stuff to make more, but we're gonna make nail polish today, huh? Anyways, as we got into quarantine, things just felt so crazy and weird, and I was like, we're not gonna worry about potty training. That is off the list. Guess what is the only thing that we marked off the list? Potty training. That was not on the list anymore. Potty training.
Will you put it in this? Will you put this
In there?
thing
Yeah.
in there?
You get to pick whatever color. So what ended up working out for Layla is, oh my gosh, what is this? Water. Oh, glue. So what is that glue? It's water. Okay, I need to wipe this up. Hold on. Okay, I found a towel. We're upstairs, so this is my office. I've actually been getting ready up here every day, and it has been the greatest. I need to get a little cart to put.
Guess what, guys? You can make real.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, let's open it and show them.
Yeah.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. I need to get a little cart to put my makeup in. That's what I was going to say. Not a big deal. Anyways, but then I got this table so that I could craft out here, and it has been so fun. I'll just come up here and like do little things, or it was great for birthdays and stuff like that. So I'm so happy that I got this and like decided to do this situation. I don't know why I didn't do this earlier. I think I wanted this just to be like more of a living room, but we never used it. So now I feel like I'm always up here, always like surrounded by things and like creating, and it just feels so good. So I'm happy we did it. What?
Let's open it.
Okay, let's open it. Okay, I'm gonna open this and then we'll show you guys.
I am sleeping in my own bed.
You are?
Yeah.
Is that what you're gonna start doing next?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna be a good girl.
You are a good girl all the time. You're always a good girl.
You see this tickle?
Oh, that's a file. That's a nail file.
Yeah.
That's super cute, right?
Let's shove on my nail.
You can't file your nails too much, so that's probably not something that you'll really use. Because if you file your nails too much, there's just a way right here why.
But I gotta stain my nails.
If you file your nails too much, then they'll hurt super, super bad.
Okay.
I don't want this to all clear. Okay. What ended up working was I was looking on Amazon one night and Layla was sitting by me chatting and somehow this got pulled up. I think it's because of all the things that I was looking for her birthday.
That was a makeup table.
Yeah. And she saw these and she was like, I want those. And I said, I'll order these for you if you go pee-pee on the potty. And she said, okay. And I said, will you go pee-pee on the potty? And she said, yes. And I said, do you promise? And she said, yes. So then we waited a few days. Amazon takes a little bit longer, you know. And we waited a few days. Those are stickers. Those are cute. And then the package came. And we opened the package and Layla saw it for a second. And then I took it immediately up here and hid it. And I said, okay, if you can go pee-pee on the potty today and all day tomorrow, then tomorrow night you can look at what we got. I got this and then another little lip gloss set. And so the first day she did really good, and the next day she did really good, didn't have any accidents, and I let her look at them but not touch. So she looked at them and she got to see them and she was so excited. And then I said, if you don't pee in your pants the next day, then you can touch them. And you can look at them and you can touch them, but we're not gonna open them. And we did that the next day. She didn't have any accidents. And then I said, if you go 2 days without having any accidents, then you can open one. And she did it. It was just like so crazy. She just did it. And not only did she figure it out that quickly, I think she peed in her underwear. I think she peed her pants one time. She hasn't had any poop accidents. And one night we went to bed and I didn't realize until the morning when she woke up and she was like, I have to go potty, and ran to the bathroom that I didn't put a diaper on her at night or a pull-up, and she didn't have an accident. And she hasn't worn a pull-up for like almost a week. She hasn't.
I didn't pee in my mom's bed.
You didn't, huh? You're such a good girl. So she hasn't peed the bed one time, and she hasn't been wearing a diaper at night. Like, what? So, anyways, bribery at its finest. It worked. It worked. We have this little DIY nail kit, and it has like different glitter. These are hearts, and there are some other hearts that are clear, and there's glitter and some little diamonds. And then these little bottles are just empty. So we'll be able to put the glitter or whatever we want in there, and then we'll fill it up with the nail polish. So they're really easy and fun. I'll let you know for sure. We did get a lip gloss kit. It was an LOL lip gloss kit because she's so into LOLs. And they were little balls, and I thought it would be like those, what are the I can't remember what they're called. It just left me. Anyways, like the ball lip chapstick. And it's a complete mess. Don't get it. It's like gooey lip gloss that just got everywhere. This is for your cuticles. This is a little cuticle pusher like this. Push them back like that.
Let's do it.
Yeah. Here they are. So cute. Layla bailed on me. She said she had to go potty, but she hasn't came back up. So I finished just filling them up with the nail polish, and I'm gonna go show her. So usually these little polishes, it's not like real nail polish. I don't know what it is exactly, but it usually just like peels off. So I don't mind, as you know, as long as Layla asks, and I know that she's doing it, that she paints her nails, and she's pretty responsible. So that's why I'm okay with these little nail polishes. Casey and I are just going to cook some dinner. We're gonna do campfire dinners with like you do like hamburger meat and potatoes, carrots, onions, whatever else you like to add, and just cook them in tinfoil or tinfoil dinners. And I thought that was a fun idea. That was Casey's idea. So I'm gonna get this stuff cleaned up glitter. I'm completely covered in glitter, which is what happens when you let kids dump glitter. But it was fun. That was a lot of fun. Yum. The kids just put theirs together. Super cool.
Okay, be careful, it's hot.
Just drop it.
Drop it.
Nice job. Good. You guys want to make my dinner too?
I'm making the best one.
Braylee is a cheer, like finishing things up for her videos that she has to send in for tryouts. That's where she is. Hopefully she'll be back soon. She's so nervous. Every time I talk to her, she's so nervous. She thinks that she's doing terrible. Braylee, chill out. What did you make?
I made varsity shell palm and sideline.
Woo!